It is with heartfelt grief that we announce the death of our beloved Marguerite Riviere, better known as Luzette, Nenen, or Nen, of Black Bay, Vieux. She was a retired seamstress. She passed away peacefully at her residence on Wednesday, 8 November 2023, at the age of 88. Left to mourn, her adopted son, Rick Isaac of Black Bay, Vieux, adopted daughter, Adelicia Stanislas of Black Bay, close friends, Yormen of Daba, Julian Saint Croix of Saltibus, Miss Baby of Black Bay, Cooley of Deriso, Lynthia of Montcayenne, Sophie of Grace Vieux. Also left to mourn are the Isaac family of Saltibus, Morshy, Castries, and Barbados, the Hardin family of Black Bay, the Vincent family of Black Bay, the Flavier family of Pi and Laborie, the Thomas family of Monsieur and Riviere Doré, the Cork family of Curaçao, the Joseph family of Barbados, staff of First Caribbean Bank, Vieux. The funeral service for Marguerite Riviere, better known as Luzette, Nenen, or Nen, of Black Bay, Vieux, will be held at Our Lady of the Assumption Church, Vieux, on Monday, 27 November 2023, at 3 p.m. Her body will be interred at the Latony Cemetery. Please note, no floral arrangement should be contributed for the burial, as per the wishes of the deceased. Her body now lies at Lazarus Funeral Home, New Dock Road, Vieux. May she rest in eternal peace.